there's nothing wrong. Going back to Telluride, sleeping with the TV on. Darling, so solidified.
Look at these super cute Easter eggs we painted yesterday. I love them. This one's kind of a fail. And I'm just gonna pop them up here. Ooh, how good does that look? And then another hack, not really a hack, but I add this cream cheese on it. What the hell? That's mine. It's so sunny, I'm so cold. Oh god, I can't breathe. It's my friend's birthday back in Australia. This is for Brit. And I just got her this little card because nothing's open in Easter and there was this like small gift shop. And I thought it was so pretty. And a Danish flag. Yeah. Just gonna write this here while we wait for my friend.
So long silent movies, the quiet dances on the screen. So long to burning slowly, smelling sweat and kerosene. And all the actors on the stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low. Call my parents up, tell them I'm not coming home. So long silent movies, to waking early, staying late. I think I'll head on down to Reno and try my hand at real estate. And I'll fix up a Cadillac and find a girl who likes to dance so slow. Call my parents up, tell them I'm already home.
That's the sauce cooking, oopsie, and the lentils. And next, some red wine. So we're gonna do some of this, and I think it's half cup. So then.
So long silent movies and all the talking in between. Cleaning dust off of the press box and fixing broken tape machines. Wasn't much of an actor, was I? I ain't much of anything at all. no. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again, no. No. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again, no. No. I ain't ever gonna talk again. I ain't ever gonna talk again, no. No. I ain't ever gonna talk.
I think this is all we need for a pavlova. 4 eggs, salt, lemons, very fine sugar, cornstarch, vanilla, apple cider vinegar, and the oven preheated. And we're gonna do some attempt at making a pavlova. Sugar. 30 seconds. I did. That's fancy. Alright, this is kind of working, I think. So funny. Fuck, I think I made it too wide and not thick enough. This is the microfiber cloth thingy. Next is clip-on installation frame, which is this bad boy. And what do you do? Clip on. Use the dust removal sticker. Sorry, all you can see is like my forehead, my baby hair, and my pimple. Good angle. Use the dust. Oh, yuck, my screen is so. Peel the film. Whoa. Okay, peel it from the bottom of the screen. Okay, I've peeled it. Lower the bottom. It's a huge bubble. Shit. 3 minutes of me just doing this. Alright, I have to go because this is not working. Sarah, is it normal for raspberries to have hair on them? Is that a stupid question?
Oh yeah, I already started.
Yes.
We should wait until like half.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Is it alright?
Yeah. It's perfect. Oh no. It's snowing so hard.
Don't talk about me that way, I can't stand it.
Just, I'm scared.
Dress me up and push me down the aisle. Raise your glass and won't you stay a while? You can take my eyes if you need to. They're always looking for you. Another branch offered for the